Hello and thank you for joining our DAS Trader Tips video. Today's video will cover the sign-up process for the Interactive Brokers version of DAS and some helpful tips to avoid any delays in connecting your live IB account with DAS. If you have a live account at Interactive Brokers, there are only two steps needed to get your account connected to DAS to start trading. 1. Subscribing to a data package, and 2. Completing the IB account authorization process to connect your live account to DAS. Step 1. Subscribing to data package. The first step would be to subscribe to one of our data packages. Data packages vary depending on the types of data feeds and information you want for your trading. Our subscription page offers a description of the data that is offered in each package. Once you have selected and subscribed to your package, you will receive your DAS welcome email that contains your download link and login credentials. You will also receive information on completing Step 2, the IB account authorization. Step 2. IB account authorization. The IB account authorization process is required to connect your live trading account to DAS and involves submitting three things: the client form, the writer agreement, and valid ID with signature. When you click on the IB account authorization link, you will be prompted to fill out this client form here. These fields are self-explanatory and takes just a couple of minutes to complete. When filling out the email field, be sure to use the same email account that is associated with your subscription payment. This will help to avoid delays in associating your IB account to your DAS user. As you reach the account number field here, keep in mind that your IB account number should start with a U. Accounts that do not start with a U may not qualify to be connected with DAS. Please also note that we are not able to connect IB Lite accounts. Ensure that you have an IB Pro account before submitting the account authorization forms. After filling out the fields at the top of the client form, you will find a link near the bottom here to the writer form. Click on the link to open the document where you will need to print out a physical form and fill in the blank fields. As you go through the document, you will be putting in the current date in these two fields. This field here is where you will put DAS Trader. This last field here is where you will input your IB account number. Again, your account number should start with a U. Once you have filled out the fields in the upper portion, you will need to sign and date the bottom of the form here. IB requires a wet ink signature, so you will need to print out and physically sign this form and avoid using any form of digital signatures. You will be leaving the left side blank as it is reserved for Interactive Brokers. Once you've completed filling out the document, you will upload it to your computer. The second item you will need to have uploaded to your computer is your government-issued ID that also reflects your signature. Interactive Brokers will use this to verify your identity and also verify the signature on the writer form, so it is a good idea to ensure these two signatures are consistent to avoid any delays. On the rare instances an applicant's government-issued ID does not contain a signature, a copy of their passport may be used as an alternative. Once the writer form and ID files are uploaded to your computer, you can click on this button here to attach the documents to your client form. Select your writer form and ID files and click on Open to attach the files. Last step is to type in your name as a signature to the client form and click on Submit to transmit the forms to both DAS and IB. This message here is a confirmation that your forms were submitted and received. The typical processing time is between 1 to 2 business days. Now that your documents have been submitted, monitor your email and spam folders during the processing time, as IB will inform you on the progress of the account authorization process via email. IB will typically send 2 separate emails to DAS, both of which you will be copied on, and both with a subject title of External IBCO Step Processed. Typically, the first email will state that your start of day or SOD files are ready for delivery, starting on a specific date or the next trading day. This is a confirmation that IB has properly set up your account to upload your balances to DAS on a daily basis. While this is an important part of the process, this does not confirm that your account is connected to DAS. If you submitted your forms correctly, you should receive a second email from IB, which states that your account has been linked for trading, as of a specific day or date. This confirms that your account is connected to DAS and you may commence with live trading typically the very next trading day. If there are problems with your submission, IB will let you know in this email as well. Take note of the following most common reasons for delays and avoid making these mistakes to expedite your account authorization process. Most common mistakes are 1. Rider form filled out incorrectly. 2. Rider form signed with a digital signature. Must be a wet ink signature. 3. ID does not contain a signature. 4. Signature on ID does not match the rider form. Any of these issues may be rectified promptly by hitting Reply All on the email from IB and attaching the corrected forms. This will reduce the processing time by sending the information directly to DAS and IB. Thereafter, monitor your email during the processing period for a confirmation notice from IB that your account is linked and ready for trading. Again, when done properly, the entire process can take just 1 to 2 business days to complete. Once completed, your account will remain connected to DAS, and you will not have to do the authorization process for that specific account again, even if you decide to take a break from DAS and resubscribe at a later date. Once your account is connected to DAS, you should be able to log into your DAS Trader and see your IB account number starting with a U in the account window as shown here. It's not a common occurrence to experience connectivity issues on your first live trade, but should you receive a rejection message stating an invalid or missing IB account number, please visit our live chat so that one of our representatives can assist you. You may reach the live chat by going to the Help tab here and selecting Live Chat Support. Thank you for joining our Interactive Brokers Process video. We encourage you to browse through our YouTube channel at DAS Trader TV, where you will find great information on the features of our platform. Follow us on social media at DAS Trader, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this video for updates on new content. Thanks again for joining us.